Welcome back to the channel, Tech Enthusiasts. Today we're diving into another groundbreaking topic in artificial intelligence: multimodal AI models. These advanced systems can process and understand multiple types of data: text, images, audio, and even video, simultaneously, unlocking incredible new possibilities. We'll explore what multimodal AI is, how it works, and the transformative potential it holds across industries. So buckle up and let's get started. Multimodal AI takes inspiration from how humans process information. Think about it: when you watch a movie, you're simultaneously interpreting dialogue, text/audio, visual scenes, images, and even the emotions conveyed through tone or music. Multimodal AI models aim to replicate this by combining different data modalities into a unified system, enabling them to perform tasks that were previously impossible with single-modality models. To understand this better, imagine you're planning a vacation. You might research destinations by reading reviews, watching videos, and listening to podcasts. A multimodal AI system can do something similar, combining text-based data like articles with visual data from photos or videos, and even analyzing audio content for sentiment or tone. This holistic approach helps the model generate highly contextualized and nuanced outputs. Let's break down how multimodal AI works. At its core, these models rely on advanced architectures like transformers and cross-modal embeddings. First, each data type is processed through specialized encoders that extract relevant features. For example, text might be analyzed for keywords and sentiment, while images are examined for patterns and objects. Once these features are extracted, they are mapped onto a shared space where the model can integrate and analyze them collectively. This cross-modal analysis enables the model to generate outputs that consider all the input data types simultaneously, producing richer and more insightful results. The applications of multimodal AI are as diverse as they are revolutionary. In healthcare, these models can analyze medical images, patient records, and even doctor's notes to assist in diagnostics. Imagine a system that examines an MRI scan while also processing a doctor's written report to provide a more accurate diagnosis. For example, Google's DeepMind is using multimodal AI to predict patient outcomes by combining data from X-rays, lab results, and electronic health records. This not only improves diagnostic accuracy, but also helps doctors make faster, more informed decisions. In education, multimodal AI can create immersive learning experiences, such as interactive simulations that combine visual, auditory, and textual elements to cater to diverse learning styles. Tools like Khan Academy's AI Tutor are already leveraging multimodal capabilities to provide personalized feedback and explanations to students. For instance, a student struggling with a math problem could upload a photo of their work, and the AI could analyze the image, identify errors, and provide step-by-step solutions in real time. Creative industries are also experiencing a surge of innovation. Multimodal AI can assist in video production by generating scripts, analyzing visual content, and even suggesting background scores. For instance, a content creator could upload a set of images and a rough script, and the AI could suggest edits, generate transitions, and even compose accompanying music. OpenAI's DALL-E and Clip are prime examples of how multimodal AI can generate stunning visual outputs based on textual descriptions. Imagine a filmmaker using AI to create storyboards, generate dialogue, and even score a film, all within a single platform. In e-commerce, multimodal AI is enhancing customer experiences. Imagine a shopping assistant that can recommend products based on a combination of your spoken preferences, uploaded images, and past purchases. This level of personalization goes beyond traditional recommendation systems, making online shopping feel more intuitive and engaging. Companies like Amazon are already experimenting with multimodal AI to improve product search and recommendations. For example, you could take a photo of a piece of furniture you like, and the AI could suggest similar items available for purchase, along with reviews and pricing information. As this technology evolves, its integration with other advanced AI systems will unlock even more possibilities. Researchers are working on making these models faster, more efficient, and capable of handling larger datasets. For example, NVIDIA is developing multimodal AI systems that can process real-time data from autonomous vehicles, combining inputs from cameras, LiDAR, and radar to improve navigation and safety. Similarly, OpenAI is exploring how multimodal AI can be integrated with reinforcement learning to create systems that learn and adapt over time, becoming even more effective in dynamic environments. However, multimodal AI also raises important ethical considerations. Bias in training data, such as racial or gender biases in images or text, can affect the fairness of AI outputs. For example, if a multimodal AI system is trained on datasets that underrepresent certain groups, it may produce biased results in applications like hiring or law enforcement. Additionally, handling sensitive data like audio and video raises privacy concerns, especially in applications like surveillance or healthcare. Addressing these challenges is critical to ensuring that multimodal AI benefits everyone. The future of multimodal AI is incredibly promising. From bridging communication gaps with advanced translation systems to powering autonomous vehicles with real-time sensory data fusion, this technology is set to redefine how machines interact with the world around us. Imagine a future where AI-powered AR/VR experiences combine visual, auditory, and haptic feedback to create fully immersive environments, or where artists and designers collaborate with AI to push the boundaries of creativity. One particularly exciting prospect is the integration of multimodal AI with knowledge graphs, which provide structured representations of information. This would allow AI systems to better understand relationships between concepts, enabling them to generate even more accurate and contextually relevant responses. For example, a multimodal AI system integrated with a medical knowledge graph could provide doctors with detailed explanations of complex diseases, including symptoms, treatments, and related conditions. Another promising area is the use of multimodal AI in legal research. Lawyers often need to review vast amounts of case law and legal documents to build their arguments. Multimodal AI can assist by quickly retrieving relevant cases, summarizing key points, and even suggesting legal strategies based on precedent. This could significantly reduce the time and effort required for legal research, allowing lawyers to focus on crafting compelling arguments. That's it for today's episode. If you're excited about the possibilities of multimodal AI and its impact on the future, don't forget to subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Drop a comment below on how you think multimodal AI could revolutionize your field of interest. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.